This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start here. Make sure your iPhone has battery and a network connection because time sync needs internet. Open Settings, tap General, then Date and Time. This gets you to the control you need. If you have a VPN or configuration profile running, disable it now. Those can override server choices. Once you're on the Date and Time screen, you'll see Set Automatically. Make sure you know if you want network time or manual control, because the next step changes how the system updates. Now decide how to set the time. Toggle Set Automatically on if you want the carrier or network NTP to keep your clock correct. This is the simplest and most reliable option. If you turn Set Automatically off, you must tap the time or time zone field and enter the correct zone and precise time manually, which is useful when testing or using isolated networks. Once you change either setting, close and reopen Clock and Calendar to force the apps to refresh system time displays. Finish by verifying the displayed time in Settings and on the lock screen. If it still reads incorrectly, force restart your iPhone. Hold a volume button and the side button until the slider appears, then power cycle. After reboot, make sure Set Automatically is enabled if you want network sync, and check again. If the problem persists, remove any configuration profiles, install available iOS updates, or contact your carrier. Sometimes network time provisioning or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.